Hello, good morning. My name is Ismelda. My presentation is about alcoholism. Um, the objectives for this presentation is to bring awareness to alcoholism, be able to identify signs of alcoholism, and provide resources. The alcoholism definition is the inability to control drinking due to both a physical and emotional dependence on alcohol. Symptoms include strong urges to use alcohol. They may have problems controlling their drinking, uh, and they continue to use alcohol even when it causes problems. Treatment involve counseling, such as behavioral therapy, medication, and in order to reduce desire to drink. Um, the true term for alcohol abuse is alcohol use disorder. This can still include alcoholism, but it's not limited to only that. Um, the actually April is Alcohol Awareness Month. It was started back in 1987 by the National Council of Alcoholism and Drug Dependency. And the three creeds of the National Council of Alcoholism and Drug Dependency are: alcoholism is a disease, and alcoholic is a sick person. The alcoholic can be helped and is worth helping. Alcoholism is a public health problem and therefore public responsibility. Forms of alcohol use disorder, which be binge drinking. Now, big binge drinking is the consumption of excess alcohol in short periods of time. For women, this would include 4 drinks within 2 hours, and for men would be 5 drinks within 2 hours. What is even what's considered one drink would be like 12 ounces, like a regular beer, um, liquor, or wine would be like 5 ounces of wine. Or if you notice that if your pattern of drinking results in repeated significant distress and problems functioning in your daily life, you likely have alcohol disorder. Uh, the cause and effect. Now, um, alcoholism can impact your health. First of all, it can impact liver diseases, digestive problems like inflammation of the stomach, heart problems, can lead to high blood pressure, and increases your risk of enlarged heart failure, or stroke. It could also be diabetes complication because alcohol interferes with the release of glucose from your liver and can increase the risk of low blood sugar. It could also be sexually function and menstruation issues. Like if you excessive drinking, it can cause erectile dysfunction for men, and for women, it can interrupt the menstrual cycle. Eye problems, birth defects for women that are drinking while pregnant, bone damage, neurological complications, a weakened immune system, of course, increases the risk of cancer, and alcohol also interacts with medication. Now, alcohol intoxication results as the amount of alcohol in your blood increase. So, the higher the blood alcohol concentration is, the more impaired you become. Alcohol intoxication causes behavioral problems and mental changes. This may include inappropriate behavior, unstable moods, impaired judgment, slurred speech, impaired attention of memory, and poor coordination. Some people also experience blackouts where they don't remember events. Aid in recovery of alcoholism can include counseling, such as behavioral therapy, as stated before. There is support groups such as Alcohol Anonymous. They do have a 12-step program to follow, and they also is like a self-help group. There are government-funded rehab centers, and of course, the first step is the intervention from loved ones to help the person accept that they may need professional help. It is very common, denial is very common, and people may not believe that they have a drinking problem, or they may believe that their drinking is under control. And these are my citations. for the presentation for today. Thank you so much. I hope you learned a couple of information about alcoholism, and my main focus in doing this presentation again is to bring awareness, um, and just make sure that if you see signs, that you can maybe help a person. Thank you.